case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1969, the Supreme Court of Rhode Island heard a case known as Bailey v. West, which centered around the concept of implied-in-fact and implied-in-law contracts. These contracts must contain mutual agreement and intent to promise, with the difference being that an implied-in-fact contract relies on non-verbal cues, while an implied-in-law contract requires a benefit to be conferred, appreciated, and accepted under circumstances that would make retaining the benefit without payment inequitable. The plaintiff, Howard Bailey, claimed that defendant Richard West owed him money for taking care of a racehorse named Bascom's Folly between May 3, 1962 and July 3, 1966. West had initially purchased the horse but discovered it was lame and attempted to return it to the seller. The seller refused, and the horse ended up at Bailey's farm, where he cared for it and sent bills to West. West denied ownership and refused to pay. The court initially found West liable for costs during the time the horse was in Bailey's care until he denied ownership. Both parties appealed, and the Supreme Court of Rhode Island ultimately agreed with West's assertion that there was no mutual agreement or intent to promise, rendering the implied-in-fact contract claim invalid. The court also rejected Bailey's implied-in-law contract argument because Bailey acted as a volunteer and took care of the horse even though its ownership was in dispute. The trial court's judgment was overturned, siding with West.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.